clap, clap, clap. Are you ready? Wiggle fingers, nice and steady. Let's count together, one by one. Counting fingers is so much fun. One finger up, say one, hello. Two fingers up, toe, let's go. Three fingers dancing, ooh, see me. Four fingers waving, woo, happy. Five fingers open, fight, hooray! High five, shout hooray! Count, 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 count with me. Fingers up so we can see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Counting makes our brain alive. 6 fingers now, 6, so bright. 7 fingers, 7 in sight. 8 fingers, wiggle more. 9 fingers, down, almost done. 10 fingers up, yay, yay, yay! We did it, hip, hip, hooray! Count, count, count again. Fingers help us learn and gain. 1 to 10, loud and clear. Counting fingers give a cheer. Now we know our numbers well. Fingers helped us learn to tell. Bye-bye fingers, rest today. We'll count again another day.
Subscribe to Little RaPa for more videos.